and welcome to the E.A.S.T Innovators Club. Today we'll be unboxing, Speedbuilding and giving a review on the LEGO 42129 Mercedes-Benz Zetros Trial Truck. Now without further delay, let's get started.
Let's delve further into the LEGO set's impressive climbing prowess, conquering steep 45-degree inclines with engaged differential locking. Yet a trade-off emerges with its low ground clearance. Hindering the initial ramp ascent, sideways maneuver becomes necessary. However, as differential locking secures all four wheels on the ramp, a transformative shift occurs. The truck effortlessly conquers the rest of the incline, showcasing a captivating blend of capabilities and limitations in this miniature off-road journey.
The Zetros Trial Truck demonstrates a slight increase in turning radius when the differential lock disengages. This subtle change enhances maneuverability in navigating tough terrains, offering precision in off-road scenarios.
The individual spring suspension system in this LEGO set is a standout feature. It mirrors real-life truck capabilities, offering independent wheeled movement for superior off-road performance. This system ensures excellent traction and stability, enabling the LEGO truck to effortlessly maneuver through rough terrains. Its advanced design absorbs impacts effectively, enhancing control and ride quality. Overall, this suspension system significantly boosts the model's off-road capabilities, allowing it to handle challenging environments with quite impressive agility.
While some have criticized the lack of a detailed working engine and the moderate speed of this LEGO set, we believe that LEGO had a different focus for this set. Unlike other models showcasing working inline or V engines like the 42110 Land Rover Defender or the 42125 Ferrari 488 GTE, the brilliance of this LEGO set lies in prioritizing and impeccably executing the functionality of the differential lock. LEGO's emphasis on replicating this feature has been executed marvelously, highlighting a unique aspect of off-road vehicle mechanics that sets this set apart from others.
Although the Zetros Trial Truck's doors might feel flimsy after completion, especially during intense off-roading sessions, there's a quick and hassle-free solution to it by utilizing an extra piece included in the LEGO set or by taking it from any other LEGO set. Simply attach it to the panel next to the door. This easy tweak ensures a secure door without compromising the set's aesthetic appeal. So no need to fret. A small adjustment like this transforms your off-road adventures with the Zetros Trial Truck into a sturdy and uninterrupted thrill ride.
Embark on an electrifying adventure with the Zetros Trial Truck. Enhanced by its cutting-edge Control Plus app, the transformative one-touch control feature redefines the essence of intuitive play, providing an unmatched level of responsiveness that turns your device into a dynamic remote. As you navigate diverse terrains, the seamless integration of technology and play unfolds, creating an immersive experience. The Zetros Trial Truck, animated with every tap, unveils unparalleled finesse and agility, transforming your adventure into a captivating journey of precision and responsiveness. This synergy fully reveals the remarkable potential of this vehicle, making each interaction a thrilling exploration into the realm of advanced LEGO Technic engineering. So every tap isn't just a command. It's an initiative to discover the artistry of innovation that elevates the Zetros Trial Truck to extraordinary heights, ensuring your playtime is a dynamic and unforgettable experience.
Now let us take a look at the LEGO Technic Zetros Trial Truck's augmented reality feature. A game changer in the world of LEGO. With the Control Plus app, witness the intricate differential locking system's functionality without moving a physical brick. This AR experience allows you to also observe the truck's simulated movement, showcasing the agility without moving anything. Special thanks to the Control Plus designers for seamlessly integrating this augmented reality feature, creating a groundbreaking fusion of physical and virtual play. This feature not only entertains but also educates, pushing the boundaries of the LEGO Technic innovation. Embrace this exciting future where reality and imagination unite in the palm of your hands.